How do trillionaires really act? Not millionaires, not even billionaires. We are talking about rarest of rare. People whose wealth is massive. So massive, it could fund entire countries. It's easy to assume they just spend non-stop, but the truth is, their habit and mindset are completely different from what most people expect. Let's break down these 8 ways trillionaires act and how it sets them apart from literally everyone else. First, they think in centuries, not seconds. While most people plan for the weekend, trillionaires plan for the next 100 years. They build system companies and even legacies. They are designed to outlive them. Their decisions are not just about quick wins. They are about permanent influence, whether it's about infrastructure, technology, or media. They invest in things that shape the future, not just their bank account. Second, they master silence. You won't find trillionaires constantly showing off or needing validation. They know that the real power doesn't need to be loud. When they talk, it's calculated, intentional, and often minimal. Silence is a weapon, and they use it to observe, control rooms, and make others reveal more than they intend to. Third, they own what others rent. Most people prefer access. Trillionaire buy the system. Trillionaires buy the company that owns it. While people stream content, they buy the platform its own. Ownership is the ultimate form of control and they know it. Fourth, they stay invisible. You would be surprised how many trillion-dollar players you would never heard of. That's on purpose. Power is safest in the shadows. While social media influencers chase attention, trillionaires operate behind the scene, controlling narratives, markets, and movements without ever trending. Fifth, they automate decision making. Trillionaires don't waste brain power on what they wear or what to eat. They reduce mental friction by creating routines and systems that run without emotion. Every decision is filtered through data, logic, and leverage. Feelings rarely interfere with function. Sixth, they surrounded themselves with people smarter than them. Ego doesn't build empires, humility does. Trillionaires hire visionaries, specialists, and thinkers who challenge them. Their circle is not built for comfort, it's built for growth, description, and domination. They know being the smartest in the room is a liability. Seventh, they play the infight game. They don't compare to win. They create games others don't even know exist. Instead of chasing market, they invent them. While others worry about competitors, trillionaires are focused on controlling the rules of game entirely. They're not players, they're architects. And finally, they don't chase money, they chase power. Money is just a tool, not the end goal. If friends control legacy, it's what matters. They invest in politicians, platforms, data, and emerging tech, not because it pays, but because it shapes what comes next. So while the world obsesses over luxury, likes, and loud successes, trillionaires operate an entirely different frequency. If you want to get 1% closer to that level, it starts by shifting how you think.